Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Welcome back to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to YouTube success. Today, we have an incredible video lined up for you, where we'll be revealing the easiest and the quickest way to reach the coveted milestone of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel. You've dreamed of reaching that magical milestone, and today we're turning those dreams into reality. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to YouTube stardom. We'll make it very simple so you can hit your target as soon as possible. In this video, we're revealing the hottest tips, the proven strategies, and the untapped secrets that will propel your channel to new heights. Get ready to unlock the vault of YouTube success. From zero to hero, we're leaving no stone unturned. So, let's dive right in. But, before we get started, make sure you've hit that subscribe button and turned on the notification bell, so you never miss out on our future videos packed with valuable tips and tricks. Alright, let's break it down into actionable steps. Step 1, Content is the king. Create engaging videos that resonate with your target audience. Research popular topics, trends, and keywords using tools like Google Trends and YouTube's search bar. And remember, quality content is paramount. Invest time and effort into creating compelling videos that offer value to your audience. Focus on delivering informative, entertaining, or inspiring content that stands out from the crowd. Step 2, invest in good equipment. While you don't need fancy gear to create great content, having decent audio and video quality can significantly improve viewer experience. Ensure your videos have good audio and video quality. Experiment with different lighting setups, angles, and editing techniques to enhance the overall viewing experience. Start with what you have, but consider upgrading your equipment as your channel grows. Step 3, plan your content strategically. Develop a content calendar to ensure consistency and a diverse range of videos. Mix up your content with tutorials, how-to's, vlogs, and maybe even collaborations with other YouTubers in your niche. Variety keeps your audience engaged. And remember, consistency is key to retaining viewers and encouraging them to subscribe. Step 4, optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Craft compelling thumbnails that grab attention and encourage clicks. And don't forget to leverage YouTube's closed captions and subtitles for better accessibility and discoverability. Step 5, engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community. Encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. Remember, building a loyal fan base is crucial to growing your subscriber count. Step 6, promote your videos across various platforms. Utilize social media channels like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to reach a wider audience. Collaborate with influencers in your niche and leverage their audience to gain more exposure. Step 7, monetize your channel. Once you reach the milestone of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you'll be eligible for YouTube's partner program. This opens up opportunities for ad revenue, sponsorships, and other monetization avenues. So, let's summarize those steps that will make you achieve your milestone. Create quality content, optimize your videos for search, engage with your audience, promote across platforms, and strive for monetization. Remember, there are no shortcuts to success, but by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours very soon. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow YouTubers. And, of course, subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Until next time, keep creating amazing content and reaching those milestones. See you in the next one.